Did you know that South Korea has more than 1.3 million millionaires, yet few flaunt their wealth? What is their secret? The Koreans quietly cultivate wealth using something I call the Han plus diligence formula, a powerful blend of emotional resilience and relentless grind. Throughout history, Korean culture has embodied a unique blend of resilience and diligence, often referred to as Han. In this video, I'll uncover the timeless principles behind Korean wealth accumulation. We'll explore actionable strategies rooted in diligence, smart investing, and strategic savings. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a clear roadmap to enhance your financial resilience, ultimately achieve long-term financial freedom. If you're passionate about success and ready to take action, hit that subscribe button. We're here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. Let's dive in. Formula number 1. Han-driven emotional resilience. Han isn't just a word, it's a cultural force. A deep, simmering emotion born from struggle, sacrifice, and historical adversity, yet it fuels quiet determination and relentless progress. While most people break under emotional burdens, the Korean philosophy of Han transforms emotional scars into silent superpowers. In best-selling book Grit by Angela Duckworth, she writes, "Suffering without purpose is unbearable, but suffering with direction becomes fuel." That's the essence of Han. It's not about drama, it's about discipline. What if you used your heartbreak, rejection, or failure as motivation to build something lasting? That's what Han-inspired Koreans do. They don't cry about the weight, they train under it. Turn negative energy into clarity by writing, "What is this trying to teach me?" Pain is either a prison or a platform. It's your choice. Koreans silently chose the latter. You can too. Most people chase comfort and stay broke. The Koreans embrace discomfort and get rich silently. Formula number 2. Ultra-saving rituals of Koreans. What if I told you that some Koreans save money so aggressively, it looks almost extreme, until you realize they're quietly becoming millionaires? Koreans have what I call ultra-saving rituals, small, consistent, almost religious financial habits passed down through generations. In fact, South Korea has one of the highest household savings rates in the developed world, hovering around 15%, while in the US, it's just 3.6% as of 2024. These saving rituals aren't accidental. They're built on values like sacrifice, delayed gratification, and long-term vision. Actionable tip number 1. Adopt the 52-week Korean Savings Challenge. Save $10 in week 1, $20 in week 2, and so on. By the end of the year, you'll have $13,780 saved without needing a raise. Actionable tip number 2. Start a no-spend day every week. Every Friday, spend nothing. It's boring. It's weird, but it works. It's not what you earn. It's what you ritualize. Saving money should be a non-negotiable part of your identity, not a leftover task when you're done spending. Number 3. Koreans compound knowledge into wealth. Ever thought of learning as a form of investing, with compounding returns far greater than the stock market? In Korea, education isn't just a phase, it's a lifelong habit and a cultural asset. Koreans treat knowledge the way others treat property or stocks, as a generational investment. Even after school, they continue learning through night classes, online certifications, financial literacy, and skill-building boot camps. This mindset mirrors what Naval Ravikant said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself. It has the highest ROI and nobody can tax it or take it away." While many chase money, Koreans chase mastery because they know money follows those who become more valuable. Here's the trap most people fall into. They stop learning once school ends. They think their degree is a finish line, not a foundation. Invest 30 minutes daily to learn a high-income skill, coding, digital marketing, investing, or negotiation. One new skill can increase your income by $10,000 to $50,000 per year. Treat books and courses like assets, not expenses. Allocate 5% of your monthly income into learning, just like you do for savings or ETFs. You're stuck in a job you hate. Instead of scrolling Instagram every evening, take a $15 course on Coursera or Udemy in your area of interest. In 6 months, you could freelance, consult, or even transition careers. Continuous learning isn't optional anymore. It's the new currency of the wealthy, and the silent secret behind Korea's rise from poverty to prosperity. Hold that thought. What if that knowledge earned you passive income? Number 4. Side hustle culture. In Korea, side hustles aren't just a trend. They're part of the wealth-building DNA. From running online stores after work to tutoring English on weekends, Koreans silently stack extra income streams with surgical discipline. A 2023 report by Korea Times revealed that 1 in 3 Korean workers maintain a side hustle, many making an extra $800 to $2,000 per month quietly. Why? Because they understand one powerful truth. Depending on one income is the riskiest move in a world that never stops changing. Here's the brutal mistake most people make in the US. They over-rely on their salary, then panic when layoffs hit. According to Forbes, 61% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even among those earning over $100,000 per year. Start a skill-based side hustle. Can you write, edit videos, do voiceovers, or coach others? Go on Fiverr or Upwork. Even 2 hours a day can add $500 to $1,500 per month. Build an automated income stream. Use tools like Etsy to sell digital products, Amazon KDP for self-publishing, or affiliate marketing via a blog or YouTube Shorts channel. Side hustles aren't about getting rich overnight. They're about protecting your future from collapse and building leverage over time. How Koreans invest that extra income. You'll be surprised by what drives their strategy. Number 5. Conservative investing, the value way. In Korea, the wealthy rarely chase overnight success. Instead, they follow a principle Warren Buffett swears by: value investing, buying great assets at a fair price and holding them for the long term. This conservative, low-drama strategy has quietly built more millionaires than any lottery ticket ever could. In fact, Korean investors often prioritize blue-chip stocks, ETFs, and long-term savings plans because they believe in slow, stable, and scalable growth. It's not sexy, but it's secure. Soo Min, a teacher in Busan, started investing just $250 per month in Korean index funds, similar to US S&P 500 equivalents, back in 2010. She never touched the money, reinvested all dividends, and avoided chasing hype. By 2023, her account had grown to over $90,000 from just quiet consistency and patience. Most people gamble in the market like it's Vegas. Koreans invest like it's their retirement plan, because it is. Wealth is built not by intensity but by consistency. The market rewards the calm, not the clever. Number 6. Time in the market, not timing the market. What if I told you that trying to time the market is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle? Exciting, but nearly always a disaster. Korean investors understand something most people overlook. Wealth isn't built by jumping in and out of the market. It's built by staying in it. Their approach mirrors Warren Buffett's legendary wisdom. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Koreans don't obsess over daily stock charts or viral crypto coins. Instead, they invest consistently over time and allow compound interest to do the heavy lifting. That's how they turn slow into steady and steady into six-figure portfolios. You heard about a stock that's about to explode. Instead of going all in, ask, would I still buy this if no one talked about it for 10 years? If the answer is no, walk away. The rich get wealthy with patience, not predictions. Time multiplies money. Timing destroys it. Most people want to buy low and sell high, but end up buying high in panic and selling low in fear. Koreans, they buy often and never sell in emotion. So ask yourself this: are you trying to outsmart the market or letting time and patience make you quietly wealthy? Apply the Han plus Diligence formula, and you're not just chasing money, you're building lasting freedom. That's wealthy, motivated, empowered, but always intentional. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Share it with your loved ones, give them some Korean culture to grow wealth. I'll see you in the next one.